Hey, this is Oleg with Joe's Gaming Electronics here with the PlayStation Slim power supply video. This is how to replace the power supply on your PlayStation. Let's get started. So the first thing you'll need is a T8 screwdriver, your hands, and a new power supply. Link will be down in the description. So the first thing you want to do is flip over to the front side, remove this top panel. What you first do is you lift in the center. You're going to hear a click. Lift on the left side as well as the right side, and just lift it up and slide it back. Move the cover. So this is the main power supply that we need. So we got the top cover off. Now we're going to flip it, and there's going to be one T8 screw right here, and we're just going to unscrew that. Once that's removed, you are then going to pry open the left side as well as the right side. You're gonna hear a little click. You're gonna lift up gently and slide. It's almost like a lift and slide. Lift, slide. From here, you're gonna remove these 4 screws. 2 are T8 screws. And there's just 2 Phillips. Set those aside. Make sure not to lose any screws. You're then gonna flip it over to this side, and there's gonna be a screw right here that you need to remove as well. And then just gently pry open, flip it over, but be careful because there is this wire that is connected. You're then going to disconnect the burnt out power supply, and then we are going to open up and get the new power supply. Now we just repeat the steps backwards. We plug in the power supply. You're just going to feel a little click. That's in. And then you gently flip over. And there are these slight grooves that you're going to have to kind of put it in perfectly. It just kind of slides in. And press gently. You should hear a few clicks. That is fine. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. From here, you're going to grab this metal top piece, put it on. First, screw in these 2 big screws. And then just the 2 Phillips. They are the silver ones. And then we're going to flip it over to the back side. And where we removed this 1 screw, we are going to put it back. Then we are going to get the bottom cover, put it on. This is the front of it. And you're just going to put it on. Slide it and push it this way towards you. And you're going to hear a click. That is in. Then flip it back over. We are then going to get the top cover. And what I generally do is, so this is the front of the PS4, this is the back, this is the front of the cover, this is the back. So you first put it on the back, hook it on, push it forward, and then just click it in. Once that's complete, you're then gonna just put the screw back in here. This T8 screw. And there we go. That is how you replace a PlayStation Slim power supply. Easy as that. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We hope you guys have a wonderful day.